Here's a quick rule of thumb. Deductible expenses are the ones that are solely incurred in the production of income. Non-deductible expenses include personal expenses such as travel or entertainment not related to the running of business. Concerning transport, if you take public transport or a taxi for business or work purposes, that is considered as a deductible expense. This also applies to commercial vehicles and certain expenses for vehicles. Travel expenses including flight tickets and accommodation are also tax deductible if it is incurred for business or work purposes. For medical expenses to be considered as a deductible expense, they must be limited to 1 to 2% of the total remuneration if your company is covered by a portable health insurance scheme or medical insurance plan. Maternity bills for female employees, health screening for employees above 40 years old, and reimbursement of medical expenses for the spouse and children of non-bargainable employees are all tax deductible. In order for advertising expenses to be tax deductible, it must be incurred with the purpose of generating more revenue for the company through boosting its brand image or providing more information about its services and/or products. This applies to both traditional and digital advertising, such as Facebook or Google Ads. Entertainment expenses must be incurred with the purpose of generating more revenue for the company, and it must be for business purposes. Personal entertainment expenses for yourself, friends, and families that are charged to the business are not tax deductible. Staff welfare expenses, including entertainment expenses incurred for team bonding, such as outing for meals, drinks, and team activities like bowling, etc., are tax deductible. However, expenses incurred by the company on staff welfare benefits that are taxable from the employee's personal tax perspective do not automatically qualify for tax deduction for corporate tax. One example is the personal membership to gym or fitness centers for employees. This is taxable from the employee's perspective, and therefore they are non-tax deductible from the company's perspective. All expenses can be claimed if they are used for business purposes. This includes membership fees, telephone bills, and application fee for the practicing certificate or license that is necessary for the employee. If you are unsure whether an expense is deductible or not, please do not hesitate to contact our tax expert at Sleek.